Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss two topics related to Azure Cloud. So the first one is Azure SLA and the second is Azure pricing. So we will start with the SLA. So basically SLA is called service level agreement. So it's agreement between company and its customer. So all the details or anything related to products, it's are under some kind of service level agreement. So if there is something wrong with the product, so the company needs to reimburse or needs to rechange some things or just satisfy their customers. So this is the basic definition or basic usage of any kind of agreement between customer and company. So it's in the same way Azure also have a SLA agreement between company and customers, and related to it they reimburse the money or they justify the things with customers. And there is a formula or there is like a calculation way to achieve that. So in, as you can see, I have like a composite SLA for like different products. So it's like app service percentage and its uptime. Like for example, we have a app service or a virtual machine which is running like 5 hours, and then we just stop it, and then we start after like 5 hours, so it's like 10 hours working within 24 hours. So it's same kind of for calculations. And Azure have like products which have 99.99% SLA, and some of them having 99.95. It's different. So like if we call like SLA, so it's a combination of many things related to that specific product. So it's not like if Azure says like we have like 99.99% of SLA, it's not true. So basically there are different components. So like there are standard or basic uh, SKUs. So in basic SKUs is like 99.95, and there are much like less advantages of having that, and in standard there are like high advantages and high SLA time. So I will like there are different variations about like service level agreement from the Azure side. Each product is different. So in this formula I have like application gateway, active directory, and SQL database server. So all together makes a composite SLA, and that will be the exact SLA, which is 99.79%. So if you are using some different products, you can just use the same formula to calculate the SLA, but you must need to go to the specific product to read its document and the SLA time. It's not like each product will be the same SLA or will be the same as other. So keep this thing in mind. Next is Azure pricing. Like if you want to calculate some price about Azure product, for example a virtual machine. So in virtual machine it's not like just a virtual machine, you just need to go and deploy a virtual machine, you will get like some specific price. It depends on your number of cores of CPU, public IP, like the disk, the size of the disk. So there are like different things, and those things you need to check. So how to verify? Azure have like a link, you can say that, and you can just put your requirements there and you will see the actual price. So let me show you. So first I show you the service level agreement. Like I mentioned, they have like a different agreement, and in service level agreement not every product is included. So like there are multiple products, you just need to go and click on one of them. For example, I click on networking, and then on the VPN gateway I want to see the service level agreement of VPN gateway. So here is the like guarantee time or uptime. So as I discussed before, so there is like standard and basic gateway. So for like that they give like 99.9% availability, but for other SKUs they have 99.95%, which is more higher. Then there will be another one for another product. So it depends on different things. So they have like an introduction, then they discuss about some terms, errors, or downtime, or like update time from their side. So there are different parameters which are also included in this, and there is like SLA details, downtime, and some those kind of things. So this is the link you should keep in mind. You need to verify what you want to see from the service level agreement, so you must read those documents before going to ask Azure support. And then let's go to the calculator about pricing. So here like they have different products, and I will just go with the virtual machine. And with virtual machine I just click it is like a calculator, so it takes a few moments, and it will click, like it will go to the next page, which I already opened here in the next in new tab. So you need to scroll down, and here is the virtual machine, so you need to select which region you want to deploy. So I just go with the Switzerland North. Then Windows or Linux, depends on what is your requirement. And then type SQL Server, or like normal OS, standard, basic, which category, or like that. Then you need to verify which products you are using and what is the rate, if you want to use, how much RAM and things. And then at the end you need to just go with the purchase option, or you can just show the details like this kind of, like you need to select every requirement, and then it at the end it shows like monthly cost of that specific virtual machine if it runs 24 into 7. So that will be the actual cost of that virtual machine. So this calculator is very helpful for like calculating our budget or our server, like how much we need to use and how much it will cost. So that's it for like today's tutorial. I just want to tell you about those two things which are important. Those things we cannot even calculate on the actual Azure portal, because there is no such calculator, but there is like pricing and budget or something like that, so we can check or verify if we have deployed any virtual machine. So it shows like monthly base uh, cost or some budget plans. But right now I don't have anything in under this subscription, so it's not showing anything. So for today's tutorial, just want to tell you about those two, SLA and pricing calculator. So that's it. Hope you like this tutorial. Goodbye.